process where we take waste and we just recycle it so we can make it into better materials.
We are here. We did a project with Miss Rita to raise awareness about recycling.
We should recycle bottles to save energy and to reduce the need to make more bottles.
We should recycle plastic bottles to save the animals, the sea creatures. Thus, if we do that, we will reduce the need to make more.
The recycling industry provides jobs for workers to know how to separate the waste and to make them into new materials.
Why should we recycle paper?
We should recycle paper to save the trees and to save the environment.
While making paper, it can provide a lot of jobs for people.
We should recycle paper to save the trees, but people still throw paper in the trash can irresponsibly. Now we will be showing you how we should recycle. This bin is for recycling plastic bottles.
This bin is for recycling the capsule of the bottle.
And this bin is to recycle paper. No! Wait! You should not throw it in the recycling box. If it's dirty, you should throw it into the trash can.
Even paper with your wrapping papers for your sandwiches, even if it's oily or covered with chocolate, nor a little simple bit of chocolate, you can't even throw in the recycling bin. You should throw it in the trash can.
Yeah.
If you throw your a wrapper in the recycling bin with those paper that you use, it can spread the dirtiness in the papers and the company would not allow us to recycle them. It could give the company would give us back the recycling papers and the materials.
We should recycle the plastic bottles alone and then the plastic bottle caps alone. Because
you should use both sides of the papers,
yes,
so we can recycle them.
Yes, we should not use only just one side. We should not waste paper. We should use both sides of the paper, and then we can throw it into the recycling.
Join us and recycle your materials so we can raise money to give it to charity and to the people in need.
So help us today help us be recycling so we can save money and give it to the people in need and help them out. Thank you, that's all for today.
Hello, we are the 6th graders and we have prepared a small project for you today.
I am grade 1. We would like to show you a small presentation about our recycling project. It is very small. It will take 4 to 5 minutes.
So we would like to tell you that we have made like a presentation and we have a task and a goal to reach about recycling. We're gonna tell you that is that cardboard box. And here we throw clean, not clean, papers that are written on both sides and not on one side and not clean. We throw it here. But we don't throw greasy papers like this.
All covered in chocolate, oily, that we can't throw this because the recycling company will not accept it.
We throw this in the trash and not in the recycling box.
And this is the aluminum foil. It can't go in the recycling, but it can go in the trash. So you can't throw this here.
Yeah.
And here is the paper is fully all thrown. You can one side only drawn, you can draw the other side too. Then you can third, and the third you can draw.
And these big boxes, this one is for buttons. We remove the caps and put the caps back. This one is only for buttons, not caps.
And that one is only for caps. Remove the caps. And now it's time for our flashcards.
Why should we recycle bottles? We need to recycle bottles so we don't take new raw materials like the trees or from the environment, and it protects the natural environment.
It reduces carbon dioxide emission. Carbon dioxide is a toxic gas that is not good for plants, so we can remove that and the plants will be healthy. The recycling jobs help numerous local jobs where workers learn how to sort and separate paper waste.
And why should we recycle paper? We should recycle paper because if we recycle paper, we wouldn't need to use like the tree's trunk for new paper.
It also saves water, and it also takes 50% less energy and water to recycle paper than to create new paper products from trees. And it preserves millions of landfill space.
So we hope that with the help of you and the school,
We will save the environment of our families.
yes, and we will hope that we will make a difference in the world by recycling.
Yeah. So this is our presentation. Thank you very much.
If you want, you can join us with this class.